Hello and welcome to the second part of our little tutorial about Crud API in nodeJS and using MongoDB. We did yesterday all this part on last video. We did node and we created just one function for creating products, and we stopped yesterday because I was too tired and I was trying to get the products, but we didn't have the actual function there to get the products from the database. So now we are going to do it, but before that let's just remind ourselves API / products, right? What's going on? Why is this? We need first to fix this. So what's going on with our products, my friend? There is no function, that is why we are not able to get them. We need, how about to write the function and then we will maybe have them. So how to get these products? We can the thing is that we will get all of the products from the system. We can try like this. So I already told you this is what you do at the beginning. Yeah. And here, my friend, it's like it will be get from API / products, right? And after that, you wish to have this async. It can be slow, you know. I will teach you how to optimize that later. So now when we have this, we will again do this try and catch error, if any. And for sure this error have its own part, and here we say response status to browser that 500 happened in JSON format, and we just give them the message. whatever is the output of the error status message from the web server. Since we did this, now we have to like products and await for it and use product find and like find whole array, and then we respond to status 200 JSON format, and here should be the products, yeah. Right. What's the catch, my friend? I think why is it working? Did we insert into products? Let's check. Let's say test price product created. Then we can like try to get them. Like this. Something is fishy here. Let's quit the server. I can run that. Everything is fine. I created a product. But it cannot construct because interesting. Get me my products, yeah. Why don't this you want to think about that shit here? Anyway, we got all of our products, right? We posted the test product, the first product, twice, yeah, see. Anyway, this schema that we have in place in the model will take care of this because you see each of these have different ID. Yeah, first product name, we twice enter the same data, but it's different field in the database. So we finish this for to get all the products, but now we need this particular product, right? And in order to do this, let's say API get the product by its ID, and now the drill, how it goes. We will do it like this, get, and then slash API slash products, actually product, since it's one, and then the ID, and this should be it, and then asynchronous request and response, yeah, and this will become a function like this, and then we finish this, and again the try and catch error if any, then there should be like REST status 500, right, in case of something is not okay. With message, right, this message we put in these curly brackets and we say message, and whatever is the either the message from the HTTP Express server. That's about catch. Here we need to const product, it's equal to you have to wait for it, and product find by ID, just like this, and then you set the ID inside of it and close it like this, and then you get the response status of 200. Like, there is your data. Oh, I didn't kill those demons, so the messages will be popping up. Bro, hi bro. Bro is much better developer than me. He's much faster in eating all of these. He's recognized my little mistakes from a mile away. and here we no. Here we need just the product to be processed. Let's check. It's going to crash. No. So we get all the products, nice. But now let's try to get just this one. Again, some issues. Maybe with mice. What's wrong here? Oh, we forgot one important thing, guys. We forgot one really important thing. In order for our little API framework that we're covering here, in order for him to be able to get this by ID, we need to construct this ID first. Purely brackets like this, and then you say that this is required. I believe this should fix the crap out of this, please. No. Why it's not working? I know why, because my request is wrong, my friend. Here we need to ask for product. See? Oh, I didn't wake up properly, so let's continue. We created this like product, and now we are able to see it, and exactly the same stuff we will use for update and the delete of the product. So also what I was trying to teach you is that you should use this as your I see a lot of young developers, they're using Postman, Insomnia, many of these tools. I mean, I have them installed on my GNU, trust me. Even some of these are proprietary type of software, and I don't like it. I never teach dependency, guys, never. Here you can see how this is crafted, like with this URL and the header, which will accept this middleware that we are defining. In this case, the format is JSON, and later on we will make our API a little bit richer, and we will allow some other type of the medium for transfer of these requests. But long story short, the important thing what I wish to say here, like this, you will know what you are doing. So let's get API, let's say products, and it will get us all of the products, you see. Now we can say product and then type the ID of the product here, and this request will return just that product. That's regarding the get. The post we already did, see, where you can define the, like, let's disintegrate into pieces. Like the execution need to happen because we're talking about the post here. The headers again, the content type will be this middleware that we define now, the data that we wish to enter under these single quotes and curly brackets, and then double quotes for the name of the field in the database and the value, the comma, and then the next field and where to store this into products. Let's actually test product. Sorry, just to get all of the products, to simply review how much of them we have currently, and say 3 of them. So we will say fourth product, and it is, ta-da, and now we will get all the products, and do see fourth product here, and you can see it here as well. So our little thing for the getting the all products, or specifically this product, will work. Why it will work? Because we requested those params, and therefore we will be able in next line to get this ID by this. So next thing that we need is to, let's say, we did something wrong, we need to update the product. Let's check, you see first product name, we have double these, so let's say we need to change this to second product name, and this one to third product name, or whatever. So for these we need to API for get all products, create a product, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines with the command. So home 9 junk, and 9 lines are junk. I wish just to put this here instead of creating the product. So creating the product, we will remove this from here, and we will go API update the product by ID. So for this, the other day I heard some colleagues, they had interviews with these candidates, and the guy was working for many years on some of these chiefy, bossy positions, and they asked him about his methods because he was chief of software development, and the guy didn't know about the put. So we will use put we will use in order when we already have some stuff in the database, but we need to modify some of these fields, because we just post the data into database, and we put with fine tune it, change something in it field by field, or whole body request, whatever the user requested. Anyway, put will look exactly the same pretty much, /API /product, because the put has to be done on the ID. We cannot edit hundreds of products, we can edit this product. Okay, so this also async, and then request and respawn, and then request response, and then we will make a function out of this and this function. Will look like this. We will close this. I don't know, maybe it's stupid the way how I do this, but this is how I roll, because I'm noob, don't know nothing about anything, and I tout myself about all of these, because you see, you can put it like this, or with the space like this. Regardless, it's the JavaScript. Oh my god, this 7 layer is so abstract, so abstract. In the bottom layers, like in 4 and 5, if you do stuff like this, space, no space, we will have a lot of, how to say, issues. But I don't know, man. So anyway, to put the product, we will again have this, you know, try and catch error, yeah, if any, and this error, if any, will have like usual process status 500. Oh my god. JSON and the same old. But now, my friend, in this try we will have some stuff to do. We have like to const the ID of this specific product, and we will request parent. Then we will like const product equal wait product find by ID and update, where we updating the ID and request the whole body whatever the moderator wish to update on this product. Then, my friend, we need to check if this product do not exist. What to do then? I mean, imagine somebody put the ID of the non-existing product, then you will like return res status, and famous 404 JSON, and then we will do like message. Yeah, business usual message, and this time we will say product not found. Check with ID. Check ID with your app, just to let them know product is not found, and then we need to wait again, product find by ID like this. Whew. And then to response back, this time successfully. JSON about updated product, and that will be pretty much it. Everything works, nice. So for the update product, we will use first of all we need to specify the ID. Okay, I'll show you something, guys. Just let me do like this. For the put. Where the ID is this. I'm just we don't have something else here. Set points, yes. So what I wish to show you guys is this that we crafted out of the need for the updating the product with the URL. So we said that this has to change name to the second product, as you can see. Like this. Now we see nicely. So you see we will use URL execute put with this header, the medium that we defined to communicate, and this data until single quotes, under single quotes, and then those fields, the name we will change to second product, because currently it's first product name, because we doubled the entrance, and but the schema take care about it, you see, and later on we will teach you how to not do duplicates of some fields. But anyway, to finish this, everything will stay the same, and here is the ID of the product that we wish to change. So let's execute this. Cannot put products because product, my friend, product like this, and I believe this is done, but we didn't see it's done, but we need to take care about how the response, we need to say something in our little code that the product is updated. Anyway, you see the product update is as well done from scratch. All of these, I don't know now, this is pending, depending on who you ask, will tell you do it like this or like that, but I believe all of this is nice. Yeah. So let's review. We have this middleware, we have this standard endpoint. Why I did this? Well, later on we will test the API, not just the functionalities but the security as well, and then you need to understand that these places, remember the diagram that we say that you should not go outside of this box this red box, never go outside of it, because then you compromise the rest of the system. You need to understand that this red box is inside of some predefined box directory that is already in the system from the lower layers, because here we're doing 7 layer. What is left to do here is just now to delete the product if it's needed. So API to delete the product by ID, and same old man. We will say at delete, yeah, and same thing, EP product, this time the product again, because this ID, you know, and again is async, and it's request and response. Let's look like this. I don't know why, as I told you, I have no idea about any of these, my friend, but somehow what you think what's going here? Here is the same old man. Try and catch ya. Try. And then here we again just rest status 500. Yeah, I'm so slow developer. Our message, we did this, now we need our JS guys. The same old ID that require parents. Those parameters will be able to construct this in the request to the database. Product equal await product find by ID and update. Yeah, can you believe it? No, and delete, because we don't delete. What to delete this ID? Please delete it. Now, what if this product does not exist? It's not there. We need again to say rest status, this time 404 .json, and let's throw the message and we define product is not found, please check very what all goes for product not found. I'm gonna go rest status 200 JSON with the message that product. And then you have touch this arrow. Ta-da, ta-da. This is this, this is this, this is this. This is this. But also I have these. 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 Nice, should work. But you never don't know. Never know, my friend. To delete the product, let's delete this third product. Okay. And to delete third product, we need its ID. And then do it like this. The ID is here. And then this. So this should delete this product. If I execute it now, do this. Cannot delete. It's not products, it's product harness. Product deleted successfully. Let's check. So, Noob created all of these from the scratch. We did it like create a product, get all products, then get the specific product by ID, then update the specific product by ID, then delete the product by ID. You see, all of these, all just going to Mongo. Yeah, now they will tell you, oh, Nubisha, you set your password here, we will destroy your blah blah blah. If you're the hacker who will do this after I was teaching you that for sure all of these databases are going to be destroyed. This is just for teaching purposes. Yeah, and for noobs to know where is the username and where the password should go. I have nothing to hide. Also, when they say, "Oh, your GitHub profile contains only 10 repos," oh my friend, imagine if I made my work publicly available. Anyway, we did all of these, guys, but it's not nice. It's not elegant. We need to introduce like routing and some controllers for these products, in order to have this working perfectly, which we will do in hopefully, inshallah, in next episode. And until then, see you guys. Stay safe. Bye bye.